Hi and welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change Google Gemini's voice on your Mac. If you're using Google Gemini on your Mac, you might want a voice that better matches your preference, whether it's clear, more natural, or simply different from the default. Thankfully, Gemini offers customizable voice options that can enhance your overall experience, especially when using voice responses for productivity or accessibility. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Google Gemini app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to click on your profile located at the bottom in the left sidebar. Then you have to scroll down and hit the drop-down menu located next to Gemini's voice section and then choose the preferred voice. Since there are several voice options including male and female ones, you can pick the right option based on your liking. Now make sure to play each voice to figure out how it sounds for you, and that's about it. Changing the voice in Google Gemini is a quick and easy way to personalize your interactions and make it more enjoyable. So whether you prefer a different tone, accent, or style, adjusting the voice settings can significantly improve how you engage with the AI. Therefore, make sure to explore the available options and choose the one that feels just right for you. And I'll catch you up in the next one.